Cars have long since existed as a mark of prestige and money since the early 1920s. When autos first became accessible by the public, only the affluent were able to pay for them. Automobiles were scarce back then, and folks that were driving about in cars were perceived as the richest people in town. Well, not anymore. In this video, we're going to be talking about 7 cheap cars that will absolutely make you look rich, without the pain of having to break your bank or going broke, so get excited. But first, if you'd like to see more videos like this and welcome more updates on your favorite car brand or the auto world in general, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because we constantly bring you more of the most current information about modern-day cars. Let's dive in. Number 1, 2013 Cadillac ATS. Cadillac is a brand which has made its mark in the luxury automobile sphere. Recognized as a luxury sedan which rivals the BMW Series 3, the 2013 Cadillac ATS challenges the thought that Cadillacs are exclusively large, businessmen cars. The ATS features regular rear-wheel drive, rear automatic braking, 8 airbags and some amazing bells and whistles like hands-free connectivity, Bose speakers as well as automatic climate controls. Upgrades are apparently limitless and differ based on which of the 4 offered trims you go with. For a car that began at $35,000, you can purchase a used 2013 Cadillac ATS for less than half of the original value, just around the $10,000 to $15,000 price point. Number 2, 2008 Jaguar XK. Though it's a little past its prime, the 2008 Jaguar XK is a stylish car that possesses the entire luxurious touches without passing off as too flashy. You can get one used for $10,000 to $20,000, depending on its state. In addition to being a head-turner, the Jaguar XK is unbelievably fun to drive and keeps bringing back sports car fans for more. The powerful V8 engine present makes it easier to go from cool city cruiser to agile sports car in merely seconds. Also, despite its being fabric, the adjustable top is well insulated and keeps the wind and noises to a minimum. In its interior, you'll find stitched leather material and wooden cores that exude elegance without going overboard, a great option for individuals that want a meek luxury vehicle which doesn't withhold on speed or power. Number 3, VAYDOR G35. At surface level, the VAYDOR G35 appears too good to be true. Emerging at a sum of about $15,000, the VAYDOR G35 is really an Infiniti G35 equipped with the VAYDOR body kit. You get to start with a 2003 to 2007 Infiniti G35, which cost around $4,000, and substitute almost the complete original body with the VAYDOR kit, which is valued at $11,000. While the VAYDOR kit takes care of the head-turning aspect, the dependability of the Infiniti G35 is actually what makes it such a sweet transaction. The short list of sophisticated features comprises a 280 horsepower V6 engine, rear-wheel drive, and an elective 6-speed close-ratio manual transmission. The VAYDOR G35 is rightly a unique stunner. It's a real movie star car. The Joker did drive a bubblegum pink VAYDOR G35 in Suicide Squad. Purchasing the Infiniti G35 and the kit disjointedly is certainly the economical route, though you can still find a pre-assembled VAYDOR G35 for sale with a substantial price tag of $75,000 or more. Number 4, Mazda MX-5 MIATA. The Mazda MX-5 MIATA has at all times remained the best of both worlds. It's a cheap, sporty 2-seat convertible with exceptional handling and stability. It's been a preferred option for weekend warriors and amateur racers from the time of its inception and is truly one of the greatest cars cash can acquire. You can discover the first-hand Mazda MX-5 MIATA for below $30,000, with used prices averaging just under $16,000. There are 4 generations of the MX-5 MIATA, and although there are variances between each individual generation, you can't truly go wide of the mark. The original is certainly the most charming model, with a drop-top drapery roof and automatic headlights. The second generation brought with it fixed headlights, a back window and lovely interior advancements. Then Mazda went back to the fundamentals for the third generation, improving the car's base and restyling its appearance a bit, bringing in features like a power-sheathable hardtop roof plus automatic climate control. The fourth generation, however, which comprises the brand new 2020 MX-5 MIATA, is squatter and lighter than its precursors, yet still retains the smooth minimalistic texture that the MX-5 MIATA is well known for. The newest models possess an upgraded engine, internal and technology improvements, and up-to-date safety features. The Mazda MX-5 MIATA is a standard luxury car for several decent reasons. Its price point is merely the cherry on its drop top. 5. 2002 Maserati SPYDER. The 2002 SPYDER marked the end of Maserati's 10-year absence from the US market. The two-seat convertible roadster has kept its power status since its launch in the United States, but its price has decreased substantially. A used 2002 Maserati SPYDER may be had for under $20,000. Maserati, as a renowned Italian company, added touches of Italian flair to the SPYDER, such as beautiful leather and a sophisticated design. A hardcover conceals the completely motorized soft top, adding to the car's beautiful appearance. A premium cockpit with top-of-the-line inside leather upholstery in 10 colors awaits you inside. It's worth mentioning, though, that Maserati only built a few hundred SPYDERs in the US. They're a terrific luxury vehicle at a fair price if you can find one. Number 6. 2019 BMW X1. BMW has always been associated with luxury. However, the 2019 BMW X1, one of the brand's most economical models, can be found secondhand for under $30,000. It has a larger cabin, better fuel economy, a more powerful engine, and more advanced safety systems than the previous two model years. The interior synthetic leather upholstery isn't quite as opulent as competitors, which could be a drawback. If you've always wanted a BMW, this is the ideal budget-friendly model. Finally, at number 7, 2014 Mercedes S-Class. Mercedes has always been a front-runner in the premium vehicle market. The 2014 Mercedes-Benz S-Class exemplifies luxury by going above and beyond the fundamentals. Even with all of the bells and whistles, the 2014 Mercedes S-Class can be had for as little as $30,000. Higher trims, on the other hand, will cost more. The 2014 S550 features a twin-turbocharged V8 engine and a 7-speed automated transmission, as well as the famous Mercedes symbol on the hood. Leather upholstery and handcrafted wood embellishments are just the beginning of the luxurious interior. Push-button start, a Burmester surround sound system with 13 speakers, two 12.3-inch displays, navigation, wireless networking, a Wi-Fi hotspot, and other technologies are included as standard. The 2014 Mercedes S-Class is one of the most luxurious vehicles you can buy without breaking the bank, even though it is on the higher end of the price scale for this list. So that's it. If you've discovered the ideal high-end car at an ideal low-end price, I'm sure you can't wait to seal the deal. Do let us know in the comments section below, which is your favorite. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you can be notified for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.